Hello, in front of me I've got DEWALT Palm Grip Sander. In this video I'll explain to you how to remove speed limiter belt. Your sander is equipped with a replaceable belt which is located between the pad and the sander body. It is designed to control the speed while the unit is off the work surface. The belt and sanding pad are designed to be consumable parts and will occasionally need to be replaced. The sanding pad needs replacement when signs of wear become evident. Replacement of the belt is necessary when the pad speed increases very dramatically when the unit is lifted from the work surface. In order to do it, firstly, you have to remove these 4 screws. You can see the belt right here. Once the 4 screws are removed, remove the sanding pad, and as you can see on the instruction, here is the sanding pad and here is the shoulder. Remove this sanding speed limiter and assemble new one. Thanks to this replacement, your sanding tool will not overspeed while not on the surface. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.